I'm evil. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do it. Just the big for the key. Okay. Shh, Grandma. Hey, Chloe. Go get your fidget spinners. We'll do this.
At like 6.
Hey, come on.
After supper. You know, I'll have Grandma drop us off earlier so that I can see you for a couple minutes. Love you too.
So today we're going to be doing fidget spinner stuff. Come on, go get your fidget spinner.
No.
Yeah, come on. Fine, then I'll go get them. I know where they're at. They're in your room. This is my fidget spinner. Mine's faster than Chloe's.
No, it's not.
Yeah, they are.
No, it's not.
Yeah, they are. Go get it then. Let's prove it. Oh, whoa. Let's prove it. Go get them.
No, you're not following me. Go.
They're not in your room.
What the frick? No, give it back. Not funny.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Come on, that's pretty creative. You have to admit it.
No, it's not. It's where's the key?
I'm not telling you. You have to find it. Oh, oh my gosh.
Supposed to come out.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You read.
Yeah, because you can replace the bearings.
Well, guess what? I don't want to ruin my fidget spinner like you.
It's not gonna get ruined.
Yeah, it will. So freaking give me the key.
I don't have the key. I don't have the key. I don't have the key.
No, he's not freaking putting his retarded videos on YouTube. I'm calling my dad and telling him.
Here, take the key. Here.
Give it.
Take the key. Dang.
I told you it wasn't funny.
Chloe, I'm sorry.
Go